Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are going to talk about a problem that maybe we were not very clear in the last one, and we're gonna connect the T-Mobile or Metro PCS, depends where you get it. It's going to be the same device, the 5G tower with the modem, and then we will test it on a computer, and we will test it on a mobile device, which happened to have a tablet. So, first things first, let's power up the modem and we will try or speed test wirelessly to the router, then wired to the computer. Now, I will show you the screen on your video. Let's go on. You plug in the power first on the back right here on the lower port. This is your power. The upper one is just the USB drive, and it will start slowly. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Right there. It starts. This is not a test on optimal conditions, as I was pointed out by some comments. Yes, I am aware that being too close to the device may not give the best results, but I have what I have, so I'll test it in these conditions for now. So you make your decision. And I would suggest, while this one powers up, I would suggest when you go buy these towers, they come with a pre-installed SIM card. But some people are having problems when they go home, plug it in, it just doesn't connect, no that. Test it at the store. Whether you get it at T-Mobile or you get it at Metro PCS, tell them to test it for you at the store. They will do that. Gladly will do that. And if it works there and they set it up there and it's all right, then put it in the box and take it home. That's just my suggestion. Now, let's wait for it to start up. And as you see, it says your connection is very good. It's not excellent, but it's very good. You can skip to other options, devices connected, messages, and all that. And I have the language in English, and I will leave it as such. Now, since we are connected, let's test it with wireless first. And since we're going to test it with the wireless part of it, let's put this router away for now. And we'll come back at it in a second. Let's enter the password to our modem, which I don't happen to remember it, so I will input it right here in a second. And I just entered the password to it. Let's connect it. I've left the password as it had it by default, and right now, not sure if you can see from this light, but I don't have a better light right now. It says connected. We are directly connected to the 5G tower only. Nothing else but the 5G tower wireless. And let's run a speed test, shall we? Okay. SP speed test right here. No, I'm not going to allow location. It says T-Mobile and all that stuff. And we hit go. And the speed seems to be around 130. I would say for download. 118. It goes up and down. And sometimes it depends on the time of the day. And the upload between 20 and 30. It's not bad in my opinion. It usually goes over 30, but let's see where it stops now. And that's... How do I take this ad away? Here we go. And as you see here, these are the results connected directly to the T-Mobile 5G tower by wireless. Okay, so the results are 120 download, 33.9 upload. Okay, let's put this on the side. And now let's test wireless, wired from the 5G tower to our laptop right here. And let me get a cable really quick. Okay, and you insert. I prefer to insert it always on the lower port, right, as you see right here. I inserted one cable on the lower port and the other cable on my laptop, which of course it's on the back of the laptop right here. And the lights should start coming on now in a second. As you see, yes, the light started blinking, and now you will see the rest of this demo on the recorded screen. Okay, we are connected to the network. No, I don't want to share it. And let's go to our browser and test the speed wired directly to the tower without the third-party modem first. Okay, speedtest.net. Find an optimal server, whatever it wants to find. Okay, let go, and let's see what the speeds are going to be. For some reason, the speed went lower, but as I said, I'm just testing it raw as is. Not gonna play anything else with it. I'm not gonna change anything. Just, it is what it is. And as you see, 73.9 a download and 32 upload. And the ping was 60, which that's not really good. I can retest it, but I think it's going to come back with the same results. And let's wait for it a second. Oh, yeah, well, it went up to 130 as it was with a Wi-Fi. Okay, that's a good download. Let's see the upload. Usually my upload is over 30, but for some reason decided to be 28 right now, which I'm happy with it. I'm not gonna complain. It's quite a workable speed, 29.1. And as you see, download 106, upload 29. Now let's fire up the third-party router, which happens to be a Netgear R8000, the X6 version. And let's put the laptop aside for now. Okay. And let's put... Here we go. And let's connect the Netgear. We're waiting for Netgear to come to life first. Then we will connect the cable from here to our Netgear. Okay, as you see, right now the router is fully on, and but the internet light is not on yet because we did not insert the cable. And I'm going to use the same cable we plugged in the laptop to plug it from the T-Mobile tower, the 5G tower, to our router. And this is the cable, as you see right here, coming from the tower itself. And in the ports behind your router, more or less all the routers are the same on the back. So there's one port that's kind of singled out. This is your internet input. The other ports are output to connect your laptop, to connect other stuff on them. Our internet from the 5G tower will go to that singled out port right here. and we wait for the internet light to come on, and right here it's loading right now, and right now it should be on. As you see, it changed to white, and that means we have internet on this router. Okay, now the 5G tower is connected through my router, and on this PC I have Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna try the Wi-Fi on this PC, then we will try the Ethernet speed. Let me turn off the Ethernet here for now. As you see, it should go off right now. Okay, yes, it's disabled Ethernet 3. And let's put it on the way. Let's turn on Wi-Fi and connect to that router. And it's connected. Let's test the speed with Wi-Fi on this one. And I'm doing this test without VPN. We'll test it with VPN too. But right now we are without VPN, only wireless from the router to the PC. And as you see, yes, it drops a lot. But the upload for some reason stays still high. Might be something with my router too. Your router may vary. Okay. Well, let's give it another chance. And as you see, it's around 52 by 35. Let's close this one and let's connect our Ethernet. Okay, now it's enabled. Turn off our Wi-Fi so we don't have any interference. Okay, Wi-Fi is off. Ethernet is on. Okay. So now let's try and speed test with Ethernet. Try a fresh new window. As you see, the Ethernet speed is way better. And that's the same third-party router. It varies, but still, when it's near 100, we're still good. A little bit over 30 on upload, which is very crucial if you make YouTube videos or any kind of stuff that requires you to upload, or you do school via Zoom. Okay, now let's try it with VPN. I'm just gonna connect to whatever VPN I can find here. And VPN is connected. Let's refresh the page. Go to speed test now. And see if VPN affects it. I know it will affect it, that's for sure. Not by a lot though. Well, if by a lot, 30, 40. Not really though. Maybe 15, 20. That's with VPN right now on Ethernet. And the upload did not change a lot. And another thing I noticed when at nighttime, unless it's towards midnight, like I'm right now, sometimes speeds just really go up and down, and I have not put the 5G tower on the perfect location. I probably could put it on a different window or somewhere that's a little bit better, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it where it's at right now because I have other providers, so it's kind of a secondary network that I have here. But my verdict or my opinion on it would be that yes, if you don't have a better ISP where you're at, or other providers don't offer any better solutions, and you can pay around $55 a month, whether it be T-Mobile or Metro PCS, I think, in my opinion, it's worth it. It's worth it. And yes, it doesn't require any contract. It doesn't require anything. So, and by the way, I am not sponsored by T-Mobile or Metro PCS, and they don't even know I'm making this video, so they don't really care. I'm just giving my opinion. It's not the best or an excellent provider or excellent internet speed, but it's better than nothing, or better than a very low 25 megabit that HughesNet or some other providers might offer. And with that said, thank you for getting bored on this video, which was very boring and maybe too long, but hey, it is what it is. And thank you for watching. If you don't mind to like and subscribe and let other people know about this channel, would be greatly appreciated. With that said, that's all I had to say. Bye!
Look at me, I'm